If you're trying to connect ClickFunnels with AWeber using SMTP, you've probably run into a few frustrating roadblocks. Maybe your emails aren't sending, or your automation isn't working how you expected. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up SMTP for ClickFunnels and AWeber, avoid common issues, and if you stick around till the end, I'll share a much better alternative that saves time and delivers better email performance. First, let's quickly cover SMTP. SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, is what ClickFunnels uses to send emails, but it doesn't provide an SMTP service itself. That means you'll need to use an external provider like SendGrid, Mailgun, or AWSCs to handle email delivery. ClickFunnels just acts as a sender, so you have to configure SMTP separately to make sure your emails actually reach inboxes. Next, let's integrate SMTP with ClickFunnels. Go to ClickFunnels and GT, Account Settings and GT, Email Integrations. Here, you'll enter your SMTP provider's credentials, SMTP server, port, username, and password. Each provider has different settings. SendGrid, for example, typically uses port 587 with TLS encryption. Once done, send a test email to make sure it works. Now, connecting ClickFunnels with AWeber. AWeber primarily handles email marketing, but if you want to trigger emails based on actions inside ClickFunnels, you need an integration. Go to AWeber and GT, Integrations and GT, add integration and select ClickFunnels. This allows you to sync contacts automatically, but the downside? AWeber doesn't natively support SMTP with ClickFunnels, so you're still relying on your SMTP provider for actual email delivery. Another issue, deliverability. ClickFunnels SMTP setup works, but it's not always the best for getting emails to inboxes. Since ClickFunnels isn't an email-focused platform, you might see lower open rates or emails ending up in spam. AWeber is better at email marketing, but it still relies on your SMTP provider, meaning issues with ClickFunnels SMTP can impact AWeber's email performance too. So after testing all these, what's a better option? If you're looking for a tool that simplifies email marketing without dealing with SMTP setup headaches, I recommend checking out the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that aren't available anywhere else. Click it now and see the difference for yourself.